Hello, trading is closed on June the 14th, 2018. Let's go over our calls. We said that this pattern was negative and that unless we took out this high early, we thought lower prices would print. We thought gapping up was quite likely because of the wall, but I still expected lower prices. Well, I do have a rule that says gapping up sharply kills the call before the open, but I can't invoke it here, so this was just a miss. We have the same pattern we had yesterday, gapping up, new highs, can't close over any of them, so it's the same call. Either you take these highs out early or the pattern's negative and lower prices print. Now this is a hole in the wall gap, and these things tend to fill pretty promptly and find support under this low. The ideal situation would be for us to gap down, go under this low early, but I can't say it's required. Well, during the day, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print. They printed, but the system said it wouldn't stick and they'd retrace. Said this drop wouldn't stick and it would retrace, and all that's already happened. Well, those were the short-term predictions. The long-term prediction is still the same. We think this is the high of the move and that's going to hold. If I'm wrong, we take out this high. That's the risk. To prove I'm right, you need confirmation, ideally by going under this low and hopefully closing under it. This is a potential top of this leg, and this is what I think is going on. If we go over it, the call fails. If we drop under this low, I think it'll work and have a big drop. Tomorrow's pattern tends to have an early high and a late high, rally all day. It doesn't preclude gapping down first. And when the typical pattern fails, it tends to drop in a straight line. I'm hoping to see that, but we'll have to wait till tomorrow's open to see. For right now, if this high holds, we should see lower prices. If this falls, I think much lower prices are coming, and that's today's call.